Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna speak on the topic Bittensor and its importance, Web3 and Web2, why the transition between Web2 to Web3, and some new keywords which you are gonna hear for the first time, like subnet, shoot, and many more. So let's start the topic. Bittensor. The future of AI is in your own hands. So what is Bittensor? Bittensor क्या है? Okay, so imagine this. Right now, all the powerful AI in the world, like ChatGPT, Gemini, Anthropic AI, all of them is controlled by a handful of big tech companies. I mean, it's basically 95% of those companies, 95% of them are controlled by five or six companies like Meta, Google, blah blah. Yeah. So Bittensor comes into the market and says, enough of that, let's change the game. What is the big idea about Bittensor? So Bittensor is a decentralized network for artificial intelligence. Think of it as a giant, open, collaborative AI brain that nobody owns and everybody can contribute to. No single company is in charge, no gatekeepers, just intelligence. It's like it is not controlled by anyone. Uh, yeah. So how does it work? Instead of one company running everything, thousands of people around the world run AI models on their own computers. They contribute intelligence to the network, compete to do its best, and get rewarded with Tau tokens. Here, the Tau tokens is like incentives. Bittensor's native cryptocurrency, basically, and the whole process is like uh, everyone contributes AI work to the network, and the validators judge the score of quality of your work. Then the better your AI output, the more Tau you earn, more cryptocurrency, that native cryptocurrency you earn, and it's an open source, permissionless and global. Basically, it's like you get paid in crypto for your own AI contributions. Simple, right? So what is mining in Bittensor? Not like Bitcoin, right? So when most people hear crypto mining, they think giant warehouse, loud fans, electricity bills that make you cry. Bittensor mining is completely different and honestly way more interesting. ध्यान देना, आप अच्छे सुनना, मज़ा आएगा. So Bitcoin mining has and Bittensor mining. What's the difference in between? You solve a pointless, repetitive math puzzle. Your computer does billions of calculations that have zero real world level value just to prove you did work. Voting right? Or bijli bhi barbad? Of course, that's gonna happen. So you run actual AI models that do real useful things: generate text, answer questions, create images, analyze that data. Your work has genuine value for the world. काम भी कमाई भी. Yeah, that's basically the key. So who are the validators? Validators are basically the judges who evaluate your quality of your AI output, and meanwhile the miners are the workers like us who run the AI models and respond to tasks sent by the validators. And Tau tokens are the price, like it's a basic incentives we get, the reward we get, right? So basically in Web3, in Bittensor, we aren't building a stake in the, we are not just mining, we are building a stake in the future of AI. It's basically long-term thinking. Yeah. Coming to the next, what are subnets? Subnets क्या होते हैं? Subnets are like mostly, it's like how can I say in simple word, is like some subnets specialize in generating high quality human tech like text. These compete to be the best writing AI on the network. It's like thinking of better than ChatGPT built by the community. Why do subnets matter? Subnets create focused, specialized AI ecosystem within the larger Bittensor network. Instead of one generalist AI trying to do everything mediocrely, you get dozens of specialists competing to be the absolute best at their specific domain. This focused competition drives rapid improvement, specialization, excellence. The best part of subnet is like you get to choose your own subnet based on what you are good at and what interests you. If you're a coder or data nerd or creative and AI researcher, there's all kind of subnet for you. Find your tribe and sharpen your skills. That's what it is. हर किसी के लिए जगह है basically. Coming to my experience in the till now in the coding, the learning camp, it was intense basically. Educational, slightly chaotic, and 100% worth it. Yeah. Real में कुछ सीखा. That's what I can say. The setting up phase, there was different kind of phase I've gone through in the first 2 days, 3 more days to go basically. So the setup phase, it was like I have to say, setting up my miner was like building a mini AI workstation from scratch. We are talking about installation and configuring wallets, registering on a subnet, making sure the whole system actually run without crashing every 5 minutes. It was technical but fun, yeah. As for the mining phase and the mining phase, which I haven't went into yet, but for the learning phase, I believe I spent hours, like sometimes I got stuck in some step literally like for 30-40 minutes, but didn't got to see the end. But eventually I got it with the help of Manish sir and Abhirup sir, and they were, and with the help of my colleagues. Yeah. Right now, Bittensor is not just a blockchain project, it is the foundation of new kind of AI. One that belongs to everyone, built by everyone, and benefits everyone. A vision that drove everything at its camp. There were some moments like I used to thought that was a vague thought basically. Mining crypto was just like money comes in, computer बैठो और काम करो ऐसे. It's like that. You have to see the charts and something like that. But in Bittensor, mining is active, continuous, intelligent network. Your AI model is constantly receiving tasks from validators and responding in real time. The quality of your responses determines your rewards. Basically, you are not just burning electricity, you are creating genuine intelligence. It's earned from AI creation, yeah. The whole, if I want to say in short, like we have to set up, install, configure, register your miner on the network, then run your AI model when it goes live, receiving validator queries 24/7, then the competition period where validators score your outputs against other miners in real time, then the DAO earns close to the best performance continuously and automatically. As for advice, I would say don't be scared. Start small. Don't try to conquer everything on day one. Learn. It's a long process. Yeah. Right now I can say that much too, because I am also learning. guys, the future is basically decentralized AI. Right now we are living in the centralized ones, and our data is being sold here and there, and it's like, that's all I can say for right now. For now, thank you.